Minecraft 2, and today I will be doing a Let's Play. And this time it's in my very own world. Woo! I want to just be wandering around the world. Like trying to find resources. Oh! I'm gonna turn around now, actually. Yeah, they are. I turned on my volume so loud. Okay. So the first thing I need is wood. Obviously, if you play Minecraft, you would know this. This is a brand new world. And just excited to be doing like a Let's Play. Okay, I have some basic wood. Okay, let's make some wood. Make 2 crafting tables, apparently. Okay, let's place down the crafting table. Okay. And now I'm gonna go mining. I'm not like really mining. Ooh, I see something that I want. Okay. And I have some iron now. So it looks like I'm gonna have some iron things already. Oh, cool. I'm not going to go too deep because, well, I don't really have too much things right now, so it's not really gonna work. So I got some basic things. Let's mine some more. We'll place on a crafting table. Make a sword. Make some more stickies. Stone pickaxe. Okay, this is turning out to be a good first day. Okay, so let's mine this. Let's mine the iron. And I saw some more iron over here. Yep. Okay. First I'm gonna make myself a basic house. Not really of much. Sorry Chris cannot be joining us. Once again, his Wi-Fi is horrible. Make some torches. This does not have good Wi-Fi. Ooh. Oh, did I mean to put that down? I'm gonna maybe explore it in the video. Just gonna collect some more stone. Okay, that's Chris. He's making a castle in his, like, the best world ever. His. Ooh, clay. Okay. Oops. Didn't mean to put that. Okay. So now we have that. Let's make some a basic house. Look, some apples and an apple and a tree. That'll be handy. Okay. First I'm gonna cut down some more trees. So let's place down a crafting table. Oh, I need more wood. I'm gonna make an axe. Why do I keep placing this? I'm gonna hold the bit. No, I'm gonna hold my sword. Make me look tough. Okay. Oops. Okay. Let's see. Oh, here. This looks like a good spot. Okay, let's take some wood. And guys, let me know how you like me doing a Let's Play. Because this is actually turning out to be fun already. Let's place down my crafting table, more wood, sticks into an axe. Let's mine this. Up. Okay. Now we're gonna make a house. We're gonna make a house. We're gonna make a house. Okay. Basic house. Let's go back to that plains biome. Sorry. There's some flowers over there. That's cool. Jump! Good. Okay, and I see that my hunger is going down a little. Ooh, sheep. 3 sheep, I need a bed. I'm so sorry, sheep, but wait a second. I have iron. Guess I just this actually. Okay. Make myself a shear. I'm gonna break my crafting table. I'm going to collect this. Okay, let's shear some sheep. How many did I get? 2. Okay. Let's go to the other sheep. Now I need 1 more piece. Thank you. Okay. Did I make more crafting tables? I have my stack. It's becoming night now, actually. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oops. Okay. Let's make myself a basic house. I just see a zombie in the distance. It's glitching. Wait, do I really have this much doors? What? Okay, that was weird. Okay. Okay, so I have my 9 pieces of wood. Let's keep building, just keep building, keep building. Okay, let's put some light in here. Ta-da-da. Pretty good first night. And I'm gonna make myself a bed. Yay! This has been a good first night. Let's have me some breakfast. Okay. Good morning, everybody. I woke up. Ooh, an egg. Egg. There's a skeleton over there. Let's see if I can get some string. Nope. Okay. Let's see, I just saw a creeper in the distance. Let's collect some more wood. This has been pretty good. Oh my god. Okay, let's collect some wood. But so far. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that was weird. Okay. I almost died. Okay. La 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 la. Okay, it's glad. Okay, I'm in my house. I'm gonna get upstairs. So, slap that like button down below if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.